Hello everyone, let's talk about the Intel OCuLink cable kit, model number EXXCBL450CVCR. This isn't your everyday cable. It's designed for high-speed data transfer directly to your motherboard. If you're looking to maximize the performance of your NVMe drives or other compatible devices, this could be a crucial component. First off, it's an Intel product, so you know you're getting a certain level of quality and compatibility, especially when pairing it with Intel motherboards. The cable itself is a USB type, which might seem a little confusing given its internal application. However, it's the OCuLink interface that really matters here. OCuLink is a high-performance interface that allows for a direct connection between devices and the motherboard, bypassing some of the bottlenecks you might encounter with traditional SATA or even some PCIe connections. The primary special feature is, without a doubt, data transfer speed. We're talking about potentially unlocking the full potential of your NVMe SSDs, allowing them to operate at their advertised speeds. This is particularly important for anyone working with large files, video editing, or running applications that demand lightning-fast storage access. Now, it's listed as an Ethernet cable category Cat8. This is interesting because OCuLink isn't typically associated with Ethernet. It likely refers to the cable's internal construction and shielding, ensuring minimal interference and optimal signal integrity, similar to what you'd expect from a high-quality Cat8 Ethernet cable. This robust design is essential for maintaining stable and reliable data transfer at high speeds. Compatibility is key with any internal component like this. While it's designed to work seamlessly with Intel motherboards that have an OCuLink port, it's crucial to check your motherboard specifications to ensure compatibility before purchasing. Not all motherboards have this port, and even if they do, there might be specific requirements or limitations. Installation is generally straightforward, but it does require opening up your computer case and connecting the cable directly to the motherboard and the target device. If you're not comfortable working with internal computer components, it's always best to consult a professional. In terms of performance, the Intel OCuLink cable kit can make a noticeable difference, especially if you're upgrading from slower storage interfaces. The increased bandwidth allows for faster boot times, quicker application loading, and smoother overall system performance. However, the actual performance gains will depend on the specific devices you're connecting and the overall configuration of your system. One thing to consider is the cost. OCuLink cables and devices tend to be more expensive than their SATA counterparts. So, it's important to weigh the performance benefits against the price to determine if it's the right investment for your needs. Overall, the Intel OCuLink cable kit EXXCBL450CVCR is a solid option for anyone looking to maximize the data transfer speeds of their NVMe drives or other compatible devices. Its robust design, high-performance interface, and Intel's reputation for quality make it a worthwhile consideration for enthusiasts and professionals alike. Just be sure to check compatibility with your motherboard and weigh the cost against the potential performance gains.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.